So in this following video, you are going to see the absolute maximum and minimum value of a function on open interval, where f of x is equals to x cube and x is defined in the interval of -1 to 2, which is open. So when we draw the graph of the function f of x equals to x cube in the interval of -1 to 2, it is somehow like this. Okay. Okay, so you can see that the value, the maximum and the minimum value of the function can exist in this interval. Okay, from -1 to 2, and we can see from the graph that the maximum value can be 8, but as we know that the 2 is not included in our function, so can we say that the value is somehow smaller than 8, so it may be 7.9? We can also tell that it can be 7.99, okay, or 7.999, etc. Okay, so we can actually not define any fixed value. Okay, we cannot actually define a fixed value in this interval, in this at any point less than 8. It can be 7.999, it can be 7.99999, or any more than that number. Okay, so we actually cannot define that. So what I really want to convey from is that in an open interval we cannot really define the maximum and the minimum value of a function. Okay, but in the case of an function such as f of x equals to x square, we can define its minimum value. The graph is somehow like this: open interval. I am defining the function in the same interval -1 to 2, and f of x equals to x square. Okay, this is 4 and this is what, -1. Sorry, this is 1. So this is what, 1. So I can define this in the interval -1 to 2. So the minimum value is at 0, but the maximum value cannot exist because this is not a perfect number. That is what, it is not an integer. If our number is integer, then we can say that it is the maximum or minimum value of the function at that point. So what I really convey from the whole thing is that absolute maximum and minimum value of a function does not exist in open interval. Okay, at the point of open interval points. Okay, that's what it is here. So we can get the other points at maybe in between them, but we can't actually really define it at their extreme points. That is what, -1 and 2. Okay, thank you.